Hello traders, you're welcome to this video and you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. If you're looking to level up your Forex trading game, then you are in the right place. In this video, we are going to be diving deep into one of the most effective tools for identifying potential price reversals and trend continuations, and that is the Bollinger Bands Divergence Strategy. Alright, trust me, by the end of this video, you have a step-by-step plan to use this strategy like a pro. Alright, so let us start with the basics. What exactly are Bollinger Bands? I'm just going to be adding the Bollinger Bands to the charts right away, and here we go. This is the Bollinger Bands indicator. Simply put, Bollinger Bands are a technical indicator that helps traders identify price volatility. You've got three components: the upper band, the lower band, and the moving average in the middle. Now, these bands expand and contract based on market volatility. All right. When the bands are tight, for example, here, when the bands are tight, it means low volatility. On the other hand, when the bands widen, such as in this situation, the market is more active. But here's where the magic happens when you combine Bollinger Bands with divergence signals. Right? So what is divergence? Now, divergence occurs when the price of a currency pair is moving in one direction, but a momentum indicator like RSI or MACD is moving in the opposite direction. Now, this disconnect often signals a potential trend reversal or continuation. And when you layer this on top of Bollinger Bands, you've got a killer strategy to identify potential high probability setups. Okay, so now I'm just going to be adding the RSI to the chart so that we can look at a practical example. Okay, so now imagine that the price is testing the lower Bollinger Bands, all right, and creating new lows. For example, testing the lower Bollinger Bands, creating new lows, right? But the RSI is moving upward, as we can see. That's happening around here, right? Testing the lower Bollinger Bands, creating new lows, but the RSI is moving upwards. Okay, now this is what we call a bullish divergence. All right, so we call a bullish divergence. It can indicate a potential reversal to the upside, and as we can see that the price is already reversing to the upside. As we can see here, the price is already reversing to the upside, right? This is a bullish divergence. We can see the price is already reversing to the upside. Okay, now let us break this strategy down step by step. The first thing you ought to do is to add the Bollinger Bands to your chart. All right, so you have to start by setting up the Bollinger Bands on your trading platform. Most platforms have default settings, but you can tweak them based on your preference. Now, secondly, you need to add a momentum indicator. Okay, you have to choose your favorite momentum indicator, whether it's RSI or MACD or even the stochastic oscillator. The three of them work well. All right, and then thirdly, you need to identify the divergence, just like we did here, right? You look for divergence signals between the price and your momentum indicator. Remember, we are searching for bullish divergence near the lower band or bearish divergence near the upper band, all right? And then you need to confirm your signal, all right? Use additional tools or candlestick patterns to confirm the signal. For example, a bullish candlestick pattern that just appears after the divergence adds an extra confidence to your trade, right? For example, in this situation, you can see that right after the price got to this point and hit the lower Bollinger Band, we can see this formation of bullish candles, consecutive two bullish candles, and we had a little doji, and then another bullish continuation pattern. So this would have been a good place to enter a buy. All right, and then next you have to plan your entry and your exit. So you ought to enter the trade once you have confirmed the setup, and then you place your stop loss just outside the Bollinger Bands. In this case, your stop loss should be below here, below this point. All right, and then you can target, set your target at the moving average or opposite the band. All right, so you can actually decide to take your profit at the upper Bollinger Band. Okay, you can decide to take your profit at the upper Bollinger Bands, or considering the fact that the market has already started trending upwards, you can decide to ride the trend. All right, you can decide to ride the trend until the price drops below. Can you see now the price is moving in the upper channel of the bands? Yes, it's moving in the upper channel of the Bollinger Band. So you can decide to ride the trend until the price drops below this moving average, until it drops to the lower channel of the Bollinger Band, and you exit your buy trade. All right, so the reverse is the case for a sell. Now, here are a few tips to make this strategy even more effective. The first is to use higher time frames. All right, use higher time frames like the hourly charts or even the daily charts, okay, for more reliable signals. And then secondly, avoid trading during low volatility periods like major holidays. Okay, now you will notice that the Bollinger Bands is not exactly the best indicator to use during periods of consolidation, because you can see that there is no notable price movements within here, right? So you might not exactly make significant, pips, right, when the market is going in this tight range. All right, so it's better if you stick with the trending market if you want to use this strategy, right? And then always backtest the strategy before using it in live trading. So what do you think of the Bollinger Bands divergence strategy so far? Let me know in the comments below. Have you tried it before, or are you planning to test it out? I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you found value in this video, do me a favor, smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more powerful trading strategies like this one. And turn on the notification bell so that you're going to be the first to know when I drop a new video. Thank you for watching. Traders, keep learning, keep growing, and as always, happy trading. I'll see you in the next video.